So today I met with two students I'm mentoring as part of my project, and together we're working on prototype interfaces for large language models that enable end users to intervene in the intermediate layers. So we're kind of trying to create a AI interpretability toolkit, but for end users and particularly scientists. And part of the inspiration for this project is actually the centuries old technology of marginalia, which were spaces, literally spaces and annotations in the margins of text, where medieval scribes could add commentaries, notes, translations, warnings, etc. And oftentimes they were signposted with these little hands called manicule or manicula, which is Latin for hand. And so part of what we're doing is essentially trying to translate these centuries old technologies of intervening into the information architecture of the manuscript and later the printed book to the realm of large language models. And so I put together these little notebooks that just showed the students how to even just look at the layers of open source large language models. In this case, it was GPT-2. And from there, see what are different modes of representation, such as these graphs that essentially showed them that for end users, a lot of this stuff is actually not legible and not clear. And so we as systems designer are thinking at a high level, not just how to see and manipulate intermediate layers, but mostly how to let more people into that space. The same way that the technology of margins enabled more people to intervene in textual production.